Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In the active cell of the spreadsheet, the fill handle is a small black box at the bottom right corner, as shown in the image. If you enter the number 1 in cell A1 and the number 2 in cell A2, you could extend that numbering sequence down through as many cells as you want.
Take our lead.
To fill odd numbers without dragging, type 1 in cell A1. Then enter 2 instead of 1 in the step value, which means that numbers would increase by 2. Enter up to what number series to be auto-filled in the stop value.
Take our lead.
You can turn this option on or off as needed by doing the following. Click File, Options. In the Advanced category, under Editing Options, select or clear the Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop checkbox.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.